The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Albany County in southeastern Wyoming until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 75 miles per hour and hail 2 inches in diameter. This storm was located 7 miles to the west of Hermosa, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Tie Siding, Hermosa, Natural Fort, Dale Creek, and Sherman. Strong wind gusts from this storm are expected to pick up loose debris, causing damage to windows, vehicles, and mobile homes. Hail from this storm will likely damage windows, possibly breaking them. If you are not inside, move indoors immediately. Take shelter on the lowest floor of a building and stay away from windows. Take action now. Do not wait for the sound of thunder to take cover. In addition to strong winds and large hail, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember, if you are close enough to hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for Albany County, Wyoming. The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a severe weather statement for Laramie County in southeastern Wyoming until 12:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This is a severe thunderstorm emergency for the towns of Granite, Otto, and Cheyenne. At 11:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the town of Granite, or about 20 miles west of Cheyenne, moving east-northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hail 6 inches in diameter is imminent. Prepare now for destructive hail. Eyewitness reports, along with train weather spotters, have confirmed hail as large as 6 inches has fallen in the towns of Sherman and Hermosa. Locations in the warning area include, but are not limited to, Granite, Otto, Cheyenne, South Greeley, and Altvin. Any people or animals outside will likely be severely injured or killed. Expect significant structural damage to windows, vehicles, and roofs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. This is a particularly dangerous situation. It is advised that once you reach shelter, you cover your head with whatever you can. If available, put on some sort of helmet or other head covering. If you do not have access to a helmet, cover yourself with pillows, blankets, or articles of clothing. Get under a sturdy structure, such as a table, if possible. The hailstones in this storm are the size of large grapefruits. These will likely punch holes through many standard roofs, causing severe damage to your body if you are hit by one. It is advised you do not leave your shelter until an all clear is given. In addition to large hail, wind gusts in excess of 85 miles per hour have also been observed with this storm. Repeating, a severe weather statement is in effect for Laramie County in southeastern Wyoming until 12:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cheyenne Police Department and the National Weather Service. Civil authorities in Cheyenne have issued a civil danger warning for the city of Cheyenne until further notice. At around midnight last night, a severe thunderstorm passed over the city of Cheyenne, one that dropped massive hailstones. Current estimates have found the average diameter of the hail to be around 5.5 inches in diameter, with some being found with a diameter of 8.5 inches. The resulting damage in Cheyenne has been immense. Many roofs have had large holes punched through them, in addition to many vehicles having their roofs completely caved in. Many utilities around the city have been damaged as well, including power lines, transformers, and gas pumps. It is currently estimated around 65% of the city is without power. Important civil service locations were also impacted, including the Cheyenne Police Department, Cheyenne Regional Medical Center, and the Cheyenne Regional Airport. If you or someone with you is seriously injured in the storm, call 911. Only call if it is a life-threatening emergency, as the lines should be left open for emergency personnel. Downed power lines can lead to electrocution. Do not approach a downed power line under any circumstances. Gas leaks have also been reported. If you smell gas, leave the area immediately, if you can do so safely. If you are not in immediate danger, it is advised you continue to shelter in place until an all clear is given. This message will be updated as new information becomes available. Repeating, civil authorities in Cheyenne have issued a civil danger warning for the city of Cheyenne until further notice.